Money can be stressful. We've all been there. The anxiety of not knowing if you'll have enough to cover your bills, the constant worry about unexpected expenses, and the feeling of being overwhelmed by debt can take a toll on anyone. But it doesn't have to be a constant worry. Imagine a life where you feel confident and in control of your finances. Imagine knowing exactly where your money goes each month. You can track your spending, save for future goals, and avoid unnecessary debt. Imagine achieving your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring early. These dreams can become a reality with the right financial plan. That's the power of budgeting. It's not just about cutting back, it's about making your money work for you. Budgeting is simply a plan for your money. It helps you allocate your income towards your needs, wants, and savings. It's about making conscious choices about your spending and saving habits. Every decision you make can bring you closer to financial freedom. With a budget, you control your money instead of letting it control you. You can prioritize what's important and cut out what's not. Don't think of a budget as a restriction. It's a tool that gives you the freedom to make informed financial decisions. Think of it as a roadmap to financial freedom. It guides you towards achieving your financial goals and dreams. It's a tool to help you achieve your dreams and live a more secure life. Start budgeting today and take the first step towards financial freedom. Let's talk about a simple yet effective budgeting rule. The 50-30-20 rule. It's a great starting point for anyone new to budgeting. Here's how it works. 50% of your after-tax income goes towards your needs. 30% is allocated for your wants, and 20% is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This simple breakdown helps you allocate your income in a balanced way, ensuring you cover your essential expenses while still enjoying life and planning for the future. Remember, this is just a guideline. You can adjust the percentages to fit your individual circumstances and financial goals. Understanding the difference between needs and wants is crucial for effective budgeting. Needs are essentials, things you can't live without. Think rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, and health insurance. Wants are the fun stuff, things that enhance your life but aren't essential for survival. These include dining out, entertainment, vacations, hobbies, and designer clothing. Learning to differentiate between the two empowers you to make conscious spending choices. Can you downsize your apartment to save on rent? Can you cook more meals at home instead of ordering takeout? Section 4. Real-life budgeting examples you can use today. Let's say you earn $4,000 after taxes each month. This is a common scenario for many people, and it provides a good baseline for understanding how to allocate your income effectively. Here's how the 50-30-20 rule would look in practice. This rule is a simple yet powerful guideline to help you manage your finances. Needs, which is 50% or $2,000. Rent, $1,000. Groceries, $400. Utilities, $200. Transportation, $200. These are your essential expenses that you can't live without. Health insurance, $200. It's crucial to include health insurance in your needs category to ensure you're covered in case of medical emergencies. Wants, which is 30% or $1,200. This category is for non-essential expenses that enhance your lifestyle. Dining out, $300, entertainment, $200, gym membership, $50. These are the things that make life enjoyable and fun. Travel fund, $150, shopping, $500. It's important to allocate money for experiences and personal enjoyment. Savings debt, which is 20% or $800. This category is for building your financial future and paying off any debts. Emergency fund, $200. Having an emergency fund is essential for unexpected expenses. Student loan payment, $300. Paying off student loans can help reduce financial stress in the long run. Retirement savings, $300. Investing in your retirement is crucial for long-term financial security. Now, these are just examples. Your actual budget might look different based on your personal circumstances and financial goals. Your own budget will reflect your unique spending habits and financial goals. It's important to customize your budget to fit your lifestyle. The key is to track your spending for a month or two to understand where your money is actually going. This will give you a clear picture of your financial habits. Then, you can create a realistic budget that works for you. Remember, budgeting is a dynamic process, and it's okay to make adjustments as needed. Section 5. Staying on track tips for budgeting success. Creating a budget is the first step. It's essential to know where your money is going and to plan for future expenses. The real challenge is sticking to it. Many people start with good intentions but find it hard to maintain their budget over time. Here are some tips for staying on track. Use budgeting apps. These tools can simplify the process and make it easier to manage your finances. Technology can be your friend. Embrace it to help you stay organized and informed about your spending. Apps like Mint, Personal Capital, or YNAB can automate tracking, set reminders, and provide insights into your spending habits. They can help you see where you might be overspending and where you can save more. Set financial goals. Having clear financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, buying a house, or early retirement, can motivate you to stay on track. These goals give you something to work towards and can make the process more rewarding. Find an accountability partner. Sharing your budgeting goals with a friend or family member can provide support and encouragement. They can help keep you accountable and offer advice when you need it. Remember, it's okay to slip up occasionally. Everyone makes mistakes, and it's important to learn from them rather than getting discouraged. Don't be too hard on yourself. Acknowledge the slip-up, understand what went wrong, and move forward with a renewed commitment. Just get back on track as quickly as possible. Consistency is key, and with these tips, you can achieve budgeting success. Section 6. Start today. Your journey to financial wellness begins now. Budgeting might seem daunting at first, but it's a journey worth taking. It's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your finances and designing the life you want. You work hard for your money. Make sure it works hard for you. Start budgeting today and watch your financial confidence soar. You've got this.